Today we will discuss about placenta previa. Placenta previa means implantation of the blastocyst in the inferior part of the uterus. If this is the uterus, consider this is the uterus. Then implantation, these are the fallopian tubes. Implantation of the blastocyst will be in the inferior part of the uterus near the internal opening of the cervix. This is called placenta previa. Previa means first. It means that you can see that this is the embryo. I erase this one. This is the embryo and this is umbilical cord. And the placenta is formed over here in front of the internal opening of cervix. Previa means first. It means that the placenta is first. Placenta is before the embryo. In other words, you can say that at the time of the delivery, first placenta will come outward and after that embryo will come outward. If we compare it with the normal case, in this case, the implantation of the blastocyst will be in the superior part of the uterus, and after that, the formation of placenta will also be in the superior part of the uterus. So that at the time of delivery, first embryo will come out and after that placenta will come out. Types of the placenta previa. There are three types of placenta previa. First is complete placenta previa. Second is partial, and third one is marginal. In case of complete, the placenta previa will completely cover the internal opening of the cervix. While in case of partial, the placenta will just partially cover the internal opening of the cervix. And if we talk about the marginal placenta previa, in this case the placenta previa is not the placenta is not in front of the opening, it is just along the wall of the cervix, and the remaining part of the placenta is along the uterine wall of the uterus. So this case is called marginal placenta previa. Placenta previa results in bleeding. There are two cases of bleeding. First is because of premature separation of the placenta, and the second one is at the time of the delivery. If we talk about the premature separation, it means that if this is the placenta formation over here, in case of premature separation, as we know that the embryo will increase in size and develop as the time passes, so that uterus will also increase its size. For increase in size of the uterus will distend in its lower part. Because of the distension of the uterus, the uterine wall of the uterus will get separated from the placenta, so that placenta will get ruptured and it will result in bleeding. And the second case of bleeding is at the time of delivery. In this case, the process is same, that the placenta will get separated from the uterine wall and it will come out, and it is coming before the embryo. That's the reason it will result in bleeding and it will result in complications. If we summarize all this, remember that if the placenta is in the inferior part of the uterus, then it is placenta previa, and if it is in the superior part, then it's normal implantation. And the types, there are three types: complete, partial and marginal. And placenta previa will result in bleeding. Thank you.